Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. When it comes to setting up camp, there's a couple of things that have to be done before the real fun can be had. Things like setting up your tent, gathering water, and searching out firewood are all very important tasks, yet can be time consuming. Wouldn't it be great? There's a tool out there specifically to help you gather firewood. I don't know, some kind of mutant superhero tool? Half razor sharp hatchet and half bow saw? Be awesome if something like that existed. Well, Ethan, there is. What's happening? Don't worry about it. Check it out. Holy cow, the Zippo AxeSaw. I recently picked up one of these and have been testing it. Here's what I like about it. The Zippo AxeSaw is a 3-in-1 hatchet, bow saw, and mallet multi-tool made specifically to help you get your campfire going. It features a sharp 5-inch stainless steel hatchet head attached to a durable 20-inch long polymer handle with internal blade storage. The hatchet's protective sheath doubles as a handle for the saw, which is easily attached by a flip-down, self-tensioning cam and a single screw. The AxeSaw's mallet, with its unique long, narrow head, has been designed precisely for driving tent stakes and does a great job at that. All 3 of the AxeSaw's functions worked great. It's better than trying to saw through a log with one of these other multi-tools. Best yet, at only 2.6 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Great for bringing to your nearby state park or deep into the backcountry. The Zippo AxeSaw is awesome. Able to break down nearly any branch or limb into usable firewood in no time. It's lightweight, durable, and easy to use. My favorite tool amongst my camping gear. And those are the reasons why it's Family Handyman approved. For more great products we're testing and improving, visit us at familyhandyman.com.